Both of my axles blown out. Come on, my eyes probably out. What up? Oh!
His Y pipe just fell.
Yeah.
Told you.
Daddy, are we going home?
No, stop asking me that. Damn, kids.
Mr. Tomei. What is this? We got a muffler. We got a mid pipe. What the heck is this? Is this the extension you're talking about? This boy light? This aluminum? Oh, what the heck? Put your own fingers on? Oh, that's crazy.
See how big that boy is?
Yeah.
You got this one.
Where you got this one?
Amazon.
I'm gonna get a video of my sway bar. You can look at it right now. Yeah, I know that's one.
Little raggedy. Your pocket's missing, sir. You dropped your pocket.
Mama.
Let's see the big reveal. Come on, rookies. This was an unboxing video. Y'all would have.
Got no damn knife or nothing.
No amount of editing can help y'all.
That's way. I might not even need that extension.
At least they make it longer. Is it lighter?
Is it lighter? Yeah.
That's probably stainless steel. Is the thing bigger? The back? It's the same, isn't it? The whole.
I think that's bigger.
They look the same. Oh, maybe. I don't know. It kind of looks the same.
Look at his face. Yeah.
I ain't even supposed to be under here. I'm supposed to be supervisor. Trash.
Where's them tools at?
I ran out of storage.
Yeah.
Tool right there by her foot. Any other tools?
What I look like.
15? No, it should be
He
other.
said it's crazy how I could fit under it.
You want me to look in the garage because it's nowhere back here.
Here it goes, under a deck car.
It's relaxing because I'm supervisor.
Hey, you want to use it?
The next day.
Not bad. It looks fine. Yeah, they don't look bad. I
It's
don't
the
know.
bad one though.
I don't know. I think that's it. Ew. Not on the YouTube.
Ain't it supposed to go up faster?
I don't know. I don't know what that means.
Oh no, they might be good.
I was gonna say this doesn't look. Ooh, look at that. Oh wow. Yeah, you gonna have to roll these.
Still look cambered. You think my
It's definitely cambered. It's real cambered now.
so low?
It's real cambered.
I can tell because it ain't even near the fender. You think my Tomei is scraped this low?
You gonna scrape more than a Tomei.
Dang, it's messing up my wrap. He is not.
Well, what did it say? You're not even 2 inches. You almost.
The whole car is on it.
What you say?
You want to see what the car does?
Yeah. Go ahead, put the other side on, then we'll adjust it after. We gonna see.
That's working backwards.
What? You don't want to see?
Jack it up, take both tires off, and then adjust the coil.
You don't want to see what it look like?
No, I don't want to see it.
Look at this.
Do they come like that?
Yeah, this is it. Not even 2.
What you at? I want to do like 3.5.
Scared.
I can't do this. I barely could do this. I barely could do the Tomei. I can't do this. Like,
You want it to be real low?
not no more. That damages the car. It's damaging parts that I'm buying. And,
You're gonna have to roll these fenders.
no, we're gonna lower. We're gonna raise this car up. The car's not being this low.
It's kind of fire.
She alright.
I'm telling you, if we lower it and he see that fitment, he gonna be like,
No,
oh,
no, I'm not. I just spent $1,300 on my exhaust.
As soon as he leave that driveway, the exhaust staying here.
All right, moment of truth. Oh yeah, not bad. That's more. Is that better?
That's low too.
That's not bad.
Where's the fucking stick measure?
Right here. Right here. That one's gonna be different because the slope. Yeah, see, that's good. This one gonna be more because it's a slope. It's not bad though. What you thinking about?
Shit too low, man.
All right, chun for the front. It just shook my eardrums.
Roll too fast. Gotta fix that heat brake.
Even the pebbles wrapped.
That's my wrapped pebbles?
Okay, go ahead.
You in gear? Okay.
All right, let's see about this Tomei. He like how loud his is though. He like how loud it is. Oh, you want a little sound clip too?
No.
Why not?